What is up, guys? Today is the big day. I'm getting tuned with the new turbo setup I have, and yeah, it's later today at 3:45, and me and Mike, who's like right there, we already started working on the car. We got the wastegate dump pipe installed, and what else? That's done, and now we're gonna work on the tranny mount. Actually, we're installing the Megan Racing tranny mount for the Genesis Coupe. It's like one of the most what I would say popular mounts to do on these cars, because the OEM tranny mount is shit. It's so soft. You can move it with your hands. It's just, it causes so many problems when you shift like really fast from first to second gear. Sometimes it can lock you out or even grind the gears. So this mount should solve that problem technically, from what I've heard from other people that had that mount. So we're gonna do that. So here we have the box. I'm gonna lower the music. Okay, so Jesus. All right. Comes with a Megan Racing, I guess, instruction manual and sticker. And yeah, here's the mount. There's not much to the box, but here it is, guys. Megan Racing tranny mount. It already looks pretty much, well, pretty solid and pretty, not rusted like mine. So guys, this is exactly what I was saying. Right there in the middle is the OEM tranny mount, and look at how rusty it is, how pretty much done it is. And look, the fucking polyurethane is not even glued anymore to the mount itself. Yeah, exactly. When you remove the tranny mount, you're supposed to unbolt it on the sides. Like, what the fuck? I need some light. No. Okay. Anyway, well, you can't see anything, but there are like two bolts right there. That's what's keeping the mount on the tranny itself, and they're useless right now because the polyurethane is not sticking to the mount itself. Yo, that's just crazy, man. Hyundai, what the fuck? Like I was saying, yeah, the OEM tranny mounts for Genesis Coupes are the best mounts out there. Mine is pretty much rotted out. The polyurethane is not holding on anything. It's just shot. It's just shot. I was really like due for a tranny mount, so it feels good to have that here. And yeah, my shifts should be better after that. The ride quality should be a little bit better too, and I'm pretty happy. They're cheap. It cost me like I don't know, 157 Canadian. So for you US viewers, it should be a lot cheaper. So my car is already done. Right now, it's Mike's turn to Mike's car's turn. So yeah. It's a pretty simple install, guys. Just remove the old mount and put the new one in. Couple of bolts and that's it. Mike is leaving. He has some appointment to go to at the bank and stuff to do, but we'll catch him later. Now I have to wait for my girlfriend because she's with her friend doing some girl stuff, and yeah, well, the car is pretty much done for now, and I gotta get gas. I gotta get a new air filter because mine is done, and I couldn't find any at my closest Canadian Tire. They only had like Spectre cone filter, and I don't really trust that brand, and you know, I just want to go safe with a K&N right off the bat, so I'll try and look somewhere else for a K&N filter, and that's pretty much it. That's pretty much it. Yo, we are at the tuning event right now. I don't know when exactly is my turn, but as you can see, there's a couple of Genesis coupes lined up. Some have been here for like since 7 in the morning, so I don't know, but I'm here. This is Yannick's V8 Genesis. This is my car, Mike. This is Amir's 300 ZX and Mike's Mustang in the back, and Kevin's there too.